the XM-30 Mechanized Infantry Combat Vehicle, entering service in 2026, represents a quantum leap in modern armored warfare. Engineered to redefine battlefield mobility, survivability, and lethality. This vehicle embodies cutting-edge technology tailored for the demands of contemporary combat. At its core, the XM-30 is designed to provide mechanized infantry with unmatched protection while enabling rapid, flexible engagement in a variety of operational environments. Built on a modular chassis, the XM-30 integrates the latest advancements in composite armor and active protection systems. Its multi-layered defensive design offers resistance against kinetic projectiles, shaped charges, and improvised explosive devices, ensuring the safety of the crew and passengers in high-threat zones. In addition to passive armor, the vehicle is equipped with an advanced active protection system that detects, tracks, and neutralizes incoming threats before impact, giving troops a decisive edge on the battlefield. Powered by a next-generation hybrid propulsion system, the XM-30 balances speed, maneuverability, and operational range. Its engine delivers impressive acceleration and cross-country mobility, while minimizing fuel consumption and logistical burden. The hybrid drive also allows for silent movement during reconnaissance and covert operations, enhancing the vehicle's versatility in diverse combat scenarios. The XM-30's armament suite reflects a focus on both versatility and precision. The primary cannon, capable of engaging a wide spectrum of targets, is paired with a coaxial machine gun and remotely operated weapon stations. This configuration allows for simultaneous engagement of armored vehicles, infantry, and aerial threats, all while the crew remains protected within the vehicle's armored hull. Additionally, advanced fire control systems, coupled with real-time target tracking, ensure superior accuracy in dynamic and complex combat environments. Inside, the XM-30 is engineered for operational efficiency and crew comfort. Advanced ergonomic, seating, climate control, and an intuitive digital interface provide situational awareness and reduce fatigue during extended missions. The vehicle's interior accommodates mechanized infantry squads with modular seating arrangements that can be reconfigured according to mission requirements. Digital communication networks link the XM-30 to other units, providing seamless integration into modern command and control architectures. Situational awareness is further enhanced by a suite of sensors, including thermal imaging, radar, and multispectral surveillance systems. These technologies enable the crew to detect threats at long range, identify targets under adverse conditions, and maintain battlefield dominance in both day and night operations. Data collected from the sensors is shared across the network, allowing allied units to coordinate maneuvers and respond effectively to emerging threats. The XM-30 is also designed with future growth in mind. Its modular architecture allows for rapid upgrades of weapons, armor, and electronic systems, ensuring the vehicle remains effective against evolving threats well into the future. Whether deployed in conventional warfare, counterinsurgency operations, or rapid deployment missions, the XM-30 offers a combination of firepower,